Welcome out to today's advisory report. It is June 29th, 2026. As you can see, we have a change in our short-term gauge. The S&P 500 closed a smidge over the 20-day moving average, causing the short-term signal to go bullish. We ended up relieving our more aggressive strategies of their hedge. We are still mildly defensive in those more aggressive strategies. We'll wait for some confirmation before getting a little bit more offensive. That could happen as soon as tomorrow, but we'll have to wait and see how the action plays out. Let's jump on over to the intermediate trend. We have been bullish for a while now, since about early April when the market turned back up. So a couple months of bullishness. As you can see, the price is near highs and definitely over the 30-week moving average, which is causing us to have an offensive bias. What we look for is we look for pullbacks. We may take some defense in those areas, but we are looking for the pullbacks to turn back up on strength. And here's some of that action today. Moved below the 50-day moving average, and then some buyers came in, but price couldn't get over 50-day. This is a generally a weak looking end to the week last week. Our expectation would be for sideways or lower, but instead the market opened up, sold down a little bit, regained its composure, and then buyers throughout most of the day. Let's go ahead and jump on over to the intraday chart to kind of see this action. We'll be looking at the 5-minute chart, which is this bottom one, and you can see here's the open, a rejection off the 20-day. Sellers came in, and you can see that we ended up below the 50-day. So this wasn't a very good start, but buyers came in as the sellers got worn out, and you can see buying the rest of the day. We'll see if this transfers over into more buying tomorrow. Let's jump on over to Market Lens. Let's go ahead and look at the positions inside of our ultra aggressive account. We still have a position in MU, a nice day today, bouncing off the 20-day and then gaining some ground. We'll see if that has follow through, and maybe over the next few days, if it kind of does what it's been doing, this may send us into new highs. Crowd, we reduced a tiny bit on an offensive sell today, a nice 6% jump on crowd. And we sold up here in this area right here. So, and just a little bit we sold. We still have the bulk of the position. Lilly, some follow-on buying, up 1.8% today. And you can see that one moving into new relative highs at least. And we took a position in SpaceX today. Getting it, let's move this down a little bit. After we bought it, we got probably about 3 or 4% out of it on the top side. So a good move for SpaceX. This is the kind of pattern we've been looking for. Remember, we've been talking about the run up, and then for it to come down, start to create that U. And now it's kind of breaking out of this 3 or 4 day resistance area. So that was a good spot for us to initiate. We'll see if there's follow through to the upside. That's what I have for today. Take care. Have a wonderful afternoon. We'll be back at it tomorrow.